Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. I don't know how many of you saw the trending video of staff members of the Department of State Services, DSS, celebrating, rejoicing over the sack of the former Director General of the DSS, Alhaji Yusuf Bichi. Like the Chinese said, a picture speaks much more than 1,000 words. That video sends a lot of message of what Bichi represented, and from all indication, for the staff members to be rejoicing over his sack, it means that he did not manage the place well in terms of human relations. I remember as a student of management, one of the things we were taught was that the human resources is the most important of all the resources. You can look at there are all kinds of resources that are important in management, in running an organization. Whatever organization you are managing, we are taught that human resources is the most important of all the resources. By the kind of celebration that I saw in that video, because of his exit as the DG of DSS, it was a clear indication that he failed in man management. And it's not surprising, because under his leadership, so many things happened that they were not able to stop. Under his leadership, since he was appointed by Buhari, just go and look at how insecurity was worse under Buhari compared to under Jonathan. Go and look at the banditry, how it expanded. Go and look at the level of insecurity in the country. Under his management, under his leadership, they were not able to nip these insecurities in the bud before they materialize. So he did not only fail in man management, he fell in the execution of his responsibility in terms of securing the nation, supplying the necessary intelligence to stop the terrorists, the bandits, the kidnappers from overrunning the country. Because the history of insecurity and killings that took place under Buhari cannot be complete without taking into consideration the failure of Alhaji Yusuf Bichi to be able to sort out the problem before they happen. Under Buhari's 8 years, over 63,000 Nigerians were killed by non-state actors. Even right under his nose here in Abuja, there had been prison breaks there had been killings of some staff of Brigade of Guard by terrorists in Abuja. Kidnapping has gone haywire in Abuja and other several parts of the country. When we are talking about food insecurity in Nigeria today, it's also as a result of the failure of intelligence by the Bichi-led DSS. That's true. Because if they were able to have the necessary information and they act on it, I do not see the reason why farmers all over the country are complaining of their inability to access their farms, which is at the root of the food insecurity in Nigeria today. So while I watched that video, some people might have just looked at it and as just people celebrating the exit of a bad leader. But it was much more. It was an indication of the failure of an intelligence arm of the Nigerian security system to rise to the occasion under Bichi. So the man did not only fail in the responsibility of protecting the nation by providing the necessary intelligence to stop it. Because if he had done that, I don't think the level of insecurity would be what it is today. But because he is part of the failures of security under Buhari. And now we are seeing that even within the DSS itself, he fell woefully in management. He fell woefully in taking care of the most important of all the resources available to him, human resources. If he was good to them, if he was a good manager of men and resources, they will be mourning his leaving the place, but rather they were thanking God that they were able to live to see him go. Therefore, it means that in their mind they thought that the man is going to stay there forever. They wish he had gone years ago. Now it has become a reality to them. And I can understand how they are feeling. When Bola Ahmed Tinubu became president, he sacked all the service chiefs but allowed Bichi to remain there. But people were saying Bichi was allowed to stay because his appointment is a tenured appointment. But we know in this country that the presidents can hire and fire anybody, irrespective of tenure. Didn't former CBN governor, now Emir of Kano, Sanusi Lamido, he had a tenured CBN appointment and he was still sacked. There are many people who their tenures have not finished. Since Bola Ahmed Tinubu entered, they sacked them. That's the way it is. But Bichi was allowed to stay for whatever reason. Now this celebration is an indication that he was not a good manager of men and the resources. It was a celebration of an exit of a man who failed them as their leader. That's why those staff were celebrating. He not only, and from that, you can see that the man did not only fail his staff, he also failed the nation by the record of insecurity in the country, by the number of deaths that was recorded. You can go and Google it. 63,000 Nigerians killed in 8 years of President Muhammad Buhari. Just type it. It will give you the report. I'm not the person that made up this report. You see the source. And it's a United States source that tabulates all the reported killings in Nigeria. This did not include the unreported killings that took place under Buhari. And this man was around most of the time in that 8 years. That's my take on this issue. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.